To replace the battery in your Chevy Equinox key fob for 2010-2025 models, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a CR2032 battery. First, locate the seam on the side of the fob. Insert the pry tool into the seam and gently twist to separate the two halves. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting its orientation with positive side up. Then, insert the new battery in the same orientation. As of 2025, Chevy recommends using genuine parts or CR2032 batteries meeting OEM specs to avoid compatibility issues. Snap the fob back together, ensuring the seam aligns properly and the buttons function. Test the fob to ensure it works correctly. When replacing the battery, avoid static electricity by grounding yourself. Touch a metal surface before handling the battery to discharge any static charge. If your fob has rubber seals in waterproof models, replace them to maintain weather resistance. These seals prevent moisture from entering and damaging the electronics. Incorrect battery polarity can cause malfunction or void the warranty. Always ensure the positive side faces up as marked in the fob. According to a 2025 Car and Driver review, DIY battery replacement is cost-effective, saving $50 in shop fees. However, avoid cheap batteries that may leak and corrode contacts. By 2025, Chevy Equinox models feature Bluetooth connectivity for phone as key functionality, allowing your smartphone to act as a digital key. Future trends in key fobs include app-integrated designs and potentially rechargeable or energy harvesting technologies like solar panels or kinetic charging from key presses. While battery swaps will likely persist until widespread adoption of solid-state batteries improves durability, expect fully wireless key fobs in the future.